My name is Melissa Arnold, and I'm a teacher located in Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at Adobe Spark Post.
Adobe Spark Post is an easy-to-use tool which allows you to put together beautiful and professional-looking graphics within a very short amount of time for a variety of purposes. Whether it be a poster or a social media post, Adobe Spark Post will be able to get you where you want to be. For today, I'm going to focus on creating a poster for Meet the Teacher Night, and this is what it's going to look like. So, let's get started. First, I'm going to head to Adobe Spark by typing spark.adobe.com into my Google Chrome web browser. Once I'm here, I'll sign in using my Adobe ID. To get started with my Spark post, I'll click on this blue plus button up in the top, and then on the side, I'll click this drop down and select Graphic. Spark gives us a variety of sizes to choose from, but I'm going to choose a poster today. Next, I can upload my own images or use royalty-free images that Adobe Spark will find for me. I already know what I want, so I'll type in pencils, select this, and click Next. Spark is now loading my poster size and image into the workspace. First thing I'll do is change my text. Like Spark is telling me, I will double-click to edit, change my alignment. I'd also like a different font on this. I can move it around by clicking, holding, and dragging. I can also adjust the size by dragging the corners. Next, I'll adjust my line spacing and remove the shape, change the color, and quickly add an effect. I can already see I'm going to want that line to be a little bit thicker, and then I'll go back and change the color and shuffle my colors. My background image isn't quite where I want it to be, so I can just click, hold, and drag it over. I also have the option to apply some filters, so I'm going to up that contrast just a bit. I'll increase that effect just a little bit more. And I do want it to stand out just a bit more, so I'm going to switch the color. So here we have the title for our poster. Next, I'm going to add some more text. So I'll click on this plus button and select Add Text. This will be the address for our Meet the Teacher Night. I will again choose a different font. Remove the effect and adjust the size of my text by dragging the corners. I can also adjust the size with a slider. I also want a different alignment on this. Next, I'd like to add an icon. In this case, I want one of those location markers you see on maps all the time. So by typing in location, Adobe Spark then finds a bunch of icons that I can make use of. I can change the color of the icon, and I can adjust the size. I need to add some more text and 2 additional icons. Since you already know how to add text, icons, resize, and recolor, I'm going to speed up this process to save us some time. Another cool thing to remember while we're doing this is that Adobe Spark is actually saving everything as we're going, so there's no need to hit a save button anywhere. So I've added some more text and 2 more icons. I'd like to move these up just a little bit on my poster, and instead of moving them individually, I can just hold down the Shift key on my keyboard and select them all, and then move them all up at the same time. I do have a bit of space on the lower right-hand side, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more text, and this time I'll use a template. Again, I'll double-click to edit my text, change my font again, give it a different color, change my shape, rotate just a little bit, and adjust the size ever so slightly. And here's our finished poster, which we created within a matter of minutes. Once I'm happy with my poster, I have a couple of options for sharing it. I can choose to download it in one of these formats. I'll show you that very quickly. There it is. I can also choose to share. I can invite others to collaborate with me on this project, or I can hit publish. In this case, I'll choose a link. Spark will generate a link. I can copy it and share it. I did all of this in my Google Chrome web browser on my laptop. You can also do this on your mobile device. I'm going to quickly open Spark Post on my iPad and show you how quickly those projects synced up. As you can see, the poster we just created is already on my mobile device. This is one of the cool things about Adobe Spark. I can easily start on my mobile device and then finish it in a web browser. So in this video, we logged into Adobe Spark using Google Chrome on a laptop, and then quickly created a poster for a Meet the Teacher Night event within a matter of minutes. Your assignment is to use Adobe Spark Post to create an eye-catching poster design for an educational event. Good luck and have fun! Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Click the link in the description below to explore more free online professional development on the Adobe Education Exchange. And click the link on screen to subscribe to the channel for more videos.